Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All here. Tonight we're going to be covering a coin called Birake. So Birake coin is a PIVX fork, and it's 90% to the Masternode for the block reward and 10% for the staker. And the block time is 60 seconds. They have a 2% pre-mine. The use for this coin is token itself. So they're going to have what looks like a couple different types of exchanges where people can trade from exchange to exchange. And also looks like they have some sort of affiliate type deal where each customer can set his own logo, domain name, and even set your own transaction fees for your own users. So you can have your own users on their exchange. That's very cool. All right, so let's get to it. We're going to check the Bitcoin Talk thread right now. Looks like they have a junior member. That already gets a check mark on my list. They do have a 90% Masternode reward. That seems very high. However, I do believe they have an exposed team, and I did speak to the developers and their marketing woman. So here's the block rewards. Looks like they are completely proof of stake, and they do give 10% to the staker. Guys, if you're unfamiliar what a staker is, basically just means that you stake your coins to the network, and they use them as collateral to help process transactions. All right. So the next thing we're going to check here is the volume. So right now, actually, this coin's in a pre-sale. I typically don't purchase pre-sales only because usually the people mining them, there could be a potential for dump, but I do think this is a strong project. However, here we go. Let's check out the Explorer. Let's check their coin distribution. Wow, yeah, it's 13% of the top 25 wallets. It's well below the 50%, guys. This is looking like a very good coin distribution right now, even if there is some mining happening and waiting for an exchange. There's not going to be a big dump, I don't think. So this isn't financial advice, but I'd try to bid for this like around $1,000, maybe 0.15 Bitcoin or so right now. Yep, just pay attention to that. This isn't financial advice, guys, and I just want to make sure you guys understand that. Got to play these at your own risk. But if you do like what I am talking about, guys, please like and subscribe. Again, this is information I do for you guys. I try to give you guys my outlook and my analysis of what I have experienced with Masternodes. And I've been doing this, guys, since last year. And this space has grown rapidly. I believe when I started doing this, there was only 10 Masternode coins on the Masternodes.online website. Okay, let's get back to it. So there's no volume. We can't really buy this yet. So there you go. We can't buy this coin yet. I'd wait until it gets listed on CryptoBridge. I hear it's getting listed sometime in the next couple of days. So let's check out their Discord, because that's one of our factors here. Let's see. I mean, I did speak to the developers. They gave me their logos and stuff so I could do a review for them. They're very kind and polite to me. Let's check out their Discord, guys. So looks like in less than 3 days, they're increasing rewards. They have a monitoring service. That's good. Here you go. CryptoBridge between 10 and 15 days. That was last Saturday. So fair enough. We will wait and see what this coin does. This project, they are building an exchange, and they already have a working demo. So that already kind of puts a lot of other projects aside because they actually have something that you can see. It's a visual, and this is the layout that they're going to use. So that's pretty cool. And then you can log in. All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys they have their white paper here. I'm not going to read this right now, but that's definitely something you guys should read before you purchase anything, of course. Another good thing is they already have a white paper. A lot of these Masternode projects do not even have the ladder. You give a guide, that's great. And where's the roadmap? So they're listed on Masternodes Pro. Looks like they're building an exchange. That's the profit diagram they're giving. I saw somewhere on here that they had a team. Oh, here it is. Okay. So they actually have LinkedIn profiles. This is the CEO. So this guy, they've been involved in this project since November. So that's almost a year. So it seems like it's going for a year is a long time in crypto land. So guys, I'm going to give these guys a shot. That's for sure. This isn't financial advice, but I definitely will be bidding on this one once it hits the exchange. All right, guys. Thanks for choosing Mr. Know It All tonight. If you have any comments, concerns, or questions, you guys need help setting up Masternodes, or if you guys just kind of want somebody to talk to about blockchains and how the Masternodes work, feel free to shoot me a comment or a message on my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/Mr. Know It All. Like and subscribe, guys. We'll talk to you soon.